Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 17th, 2018, and we just finished harvesting some of our broccoli and cauliflower heads here. And I'll show you one here. And these were fed with the Eco Scraps all-purpose plant food. And they were also fed with Sea Magic, and we used our own homemade compost. And they did have grass clippings put around them. Now, we don't use any chemicals on our lawn, because you don't want to use chemicals on your lawn if you're going to be using it in your garden. So we did harvest some other broccoli already off, and we've been eating that. And we're going to be using some of this fresh cooked, and we're also going to be preserving some of this with, we're going to blanch it first, and then we're going to put it in our seal-a-meal bags and seal it down and put it in the freezer so we have it over the winter time to eat. So I just wanted to show you this here. And you'll want to wash your broccoli. You can just rinse it off in cool water. If it has the little worms on it, you can submerge it in cold water that has ice in it to try and get the little worms off. And I will have links down below in the description for all the products that I talked about in the video. And another thing, when you harvest your broccoli and your cauliflower, we don't actually pull our plants out. If you cut your stuff up high enough, it will give again. We had our cauliflower last year give more than once for us off of the same plants. We just made sure that we cut it up higher. You can see here on the bottom that we really didn't take that much of the stalk off. And we did the same thing with the broccoli. We just cut it like right below the leaves, the first set of leaves. I'll have a video on how to harvest your broccoli as well. And they shoot new shoots off and give more broccoli and cauliflower. Now this is, and this variety here, I believe it's a snow crown cauliflower. I'll get the name of it for sure. And I've been growing this variety for a few years now. I really like it. And it did give for us more than once last year. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.